everyone. Today I'm going to show you the simple steps to seaming your Cloudline headband. Currently it is flat, just as you can see the purple sample here, and we're going to seam the ends together to create this fun little tie knot at the top, and then it'll be ready to wear. You'll need a set of scissors and then a tapestry needle. So to get started, I do have the right side facing up. I'm gonna thread our tail here through my tapestry needle. This is one of my travel needles that I take with me when I am on the road. So to seam things together, first we're going to fold our headband in half, create a sandwich effect here with your two ends. And then we're gonna nest these together so that we have 4 short pieces that are all together for us to now seam. And we'll want to go through each layer. So this will be the first layer, second layer, and the third layer. So you pull your yarn through, and then you'll come back again and you'll go through all 4 layers here. So as you can see, here's your first layer, and I always try to just to stay right at the edge, the top edge there, pick up those ends and get each piece. And so come back here again. So we got the first layer, the second layer, third layer, and then here is the 4th layer. And then pulling all the way through all 4 of those, this just ties everything together so that we create that cute little knot at the top of our work. And then we just keep working all the way from one end to the other end. And then you will seam in the rest of your tail just to finalize securing everything. So I'll just finish going through these. And then once you near the end here a little bit more, I just want to try to be sure I have all of the pieces in here. Sometimes it can get a little tight in the very end, so just dig down in there to get all of the sections. And then I get that last little piece there. And then for myself, I just go through and then I do a quick little top weave just to go back over everything again once more. Try to make sure I have everything secured nicely in there. And then I will trim the ends, or trim this long tail, I should say. Tie it off in a quick little knot. Trim this here. And then we will flip it around and we have our fun little knot here at the top, and it is ready to wear. So enjoy, super easy, very simple, and a great little finished headband that looks fun with pretty much any outfit, no matter day or night. Enjoy.